welcome all of you on platform of YourPedia Education, and you are watching the regular series for admissions in foreign universities, abroad universities, and this particular series is for Germany, and that too we are focusing more the DARD scholarship, which is one of the largest scholarship providing agency, if I can call it that way, and now we are entering into deep of various universities and courses. Today's my this small brief video is related to one of the very important job related course of higher education, that is data science, statistics, computational, masters in computational science or something like that. So whatever we call data science. So different kind of branches, it is an interdisciplinary course, so different branches are eligible for that. I mean, your engineering background, non-engineering people are eligible for. I will be telling you about this particular course here today. You know, when we find the universities in foreign countries or Germany, our criteria is no tuition fee. There should not be any kind of tuition fee. Second criteria is it should be very cheap. As I told you, 800 to 1000 euro is the average cost incurred on the course. So our criteria is, can it be less than that? I mean, can it be less than 800? So can it be 500 euro or something like that? Third criteria is opportunity of earning, because in PhD though you get scholarship, but in masters you normally don't get scholarship. So what kind of funding do we get? So on an average, if 300-400 euro per month funding we get, then and living expenditure is, let us say, not 800 but 500-600 euro, which some universities claim that expenditure, monthly expenditure, living and everything. Tuition fee, tuition is waive off, no tuition fee. 500-600 euro is the overall expenditure per month, and you can earn 300 euro in the university or outside university. That is on the website of the university it is written. In that case, we can optimize our 2 years course, study course in that university. And yes, one of the criteria is post masters opportunities and jobs. That is also one of the criteria. So on these parameters, we optimize the search and we find out the universities related to various courses. So now we will enter into various courses for different branches. So I started with data science first. Let's see what is there in data science. So when I did a lot of search, I found these are the universities and these are the courses which are basically matching all our requirements. So if you say, sir, I'm ready to pay tuition fee also of, let's say, 5,000 euro, then obviously there will be so many choices. But I'm not going for that. I'm saying that we will, in the beginning, restrict our search to those universities in which there is no tuition fee. So from that aspect, I got data science, computational science and engineering, master of science in applied statistics, master of science in data science, MS in data science. So these are the universities where I got it. Now before I start discussing about these universities, let me tell you, we have already covered these videos. So if in case you have not seen these videos, we have already covered these videos for you and these courses for you. And those who are interested in these courses can find out these cheap universities for Indian students. And let me also tell you that regular weekly our Zoom interaction keeps on going with the mentors. So if you have any doubt, you can fill our Google form and you can participate in that Zoom interaction and you can ask any question, whatsoever question you have. So these we have already covered these videos in previous our series on DART scholarship, and I have already told you what is the meaning of DART. This is the largest funding organization which provides a scholarship to the international students. So if you go to the sites of DART, you will find numerous international courses, and you can also search on your own. So where what YourPedia does is, with the help of mentors or with the help of our extensive analysis, we identify the universities out of hundreds of universities given by them which suit our requirement. As I told you, as Indian, what requirement, which are the requirements which are there for us. So when I searched for data science course, MS in data science, I'm not looking for PhD. And to tell you one thing more, PhD courses in data science are limited. We do not have much courses in PhD in data science, but master's courses are there. So these are the some universities and courses we got. These 5 universities and 5 courses we got. In fact, one of the university is having 2 courses which we saw here. Now, when I go to Trier University, if pronunciation is correct, Master of Science in Data Science, I found that this is multidisciplinary program, and there are certain courses on data science which are only for students of computer science and mathematics. So we need to also see that different branch of engineering students can go for this particular course. And then obviously our criteria here is tuition fee should not be there. That is one of the criteria. And second is that we can minimize this particular cost, which is 800 to 900 euro. We can minimize this. And yes, we should also see that funding opportunities within the universities are there or not. Because if university claim, like this university claims, that there are funding opportunities within the university, then for sure you will get the funding inside the university. And how much funding you can get is maybe 2 to 300 euro you can per month get the funding. So we minimize, we optimize our expenditure. 500 euro expenditure per month is okay, like that is less than 50,000 per month. That means 6 lakh per annum. So 12 lakh 2 years का कोर्स 12 लाख का पड़ेगा, और उसमें अगर आप थोड़ा सा और अर्न कर सकें तो आप इसको 10 लाख से नीचे ला सकते हैं. As I told you earlier also that if you are planning to go for MS in German kind of countries, you need to be mentally prepared to spend 10 to 15 lakh rupees from your pocket. But that is a good return on your investment if you do hard work in masters and if you land up in good universities in good course. Okay, then as I told you that there are other funding opportunities also, like there are other scholarships also, and you can get 300 euro up to 300 euro per month also you can get through these kind of basically funding organizations, like scholarship, like GATE scholarship is available. Similarly, there are some another scholarships also. Deutschland program, as you can see this, these are some of the stipends which are available, and how much stipend you can get, who can get these stipends, that all the details are also available here. Other than there are participating universities which provide for master's student, they provide these kind of scholarships. So which are the universities? RWTH, Technical University Munich, other university like Frankfurt universities. These universities are providing this scholarship. Other than this Deutschland scholarship, there are other scholarships also which you can avail, which you can get it. So to get this scholarship, you need to write a very good research proposal why you want to go there, and you need to present that proposal to the committee, and if they find your proposal to be good, they will give you the scholarship. So getting scholarship in those countries depends upon your research proposal, whatever proposal you are providing them. Let's go to now Potsdam University for the data science. This is what I was telling you, like the monthly living expenditure is between 500 to 1000. So the university is claiming that this is 500 to 1000, and there is because some living in this particular university is cheaper than compared to other parts of Germany. So cost of living is something which Indian students should see. So what are the main factors Indian students should bother about is cost of living. It should certainly be less than 800 euro per month, and funding opportunities, like this university is not giving you any funding opportunities within university, but yes, outside the university you can try for that. Language, what are the requirements and all, these all details are also provided. What are the requirements from your side? So as I told you, this data science university of Potsdam, it is claiming that yes, you should have a degree in computer science or mathematics, something like that. This is a requirement from their side. Okay, now this university is ranked really good rank. It is getting rank 4 in Germany and 24th in Times Higher Education ranking. So this is something which is good to pursue if you get into this university. Let's go to next university now. Trier University, Masters of Science in Applied Statistics. Funding opportunities, yes, there are really good funding opportunities for us. Expense is 800 to 900 euro per month, and you can get the funding opportunities, no tuition fee. And yes, you need to have some kind of minimum CGPA, that is what we can say. Here they calculate it from the scale of basically grades. So 2 grades as per them it is required. TOEFL, how much is required, or IELTS, how much is required? As I told you, if you are targeting for Germany, TOEFL or IELTS is the exam, either of these two, one of the exam you should have. And what is the requirement, how many points are required, that is also they have mentioned. IELTS 6 points and TOEFL 5 point, that is how they are mentioning it. So GRE is not required for German universities from Indian students. Now this is this is computational science and engineering course, and university, this is the university TUM University, TUM, and this is the cost of living 800 euro per month again. So no tuition fees again, and you need to have a bachelor degree in any branch of engineering or science, that is a requirement. TOEFL is required, so TOEFL 88 points it is asking for. So that is TOEFL, merely you should pass the TOEFL. It is not very big or difficult exam, very simple exam. So these are the universities which we covered for data science. So those of you who are looking forward for pursuing the course, master's course in data science, these are the universities in Germany you can apply. Why we are focusing Germany, as I told you earlier also, the factors are low cost, opportunities after masters once we do there, and see availability of the courses. German has many universities and they welcome international students, and English may you can pursue your courses. Though if you learn Germany, then getting job outside is very easy, or even during masters getting the some kind of funding is easier if you know German as a language. So this is how we have to proceed. More information if you want, you can join our regular Zoom interactions which keep on going, so that you well plan your basically course in these universities. All the best, keep trying, and we will keep coming with new courses which match your requirement, so that you can pursue in that particular direction. One more thing I want to tell you, the probability of selection in Germany is 100%. When I'm saying probability of selection is 100%, that simply means the requirements or criteria of admission is not very stringent. There are many parameters, there are many factors. Even if your CGPA is less, or your TOEFL is less, or other academic background you do not have, but if you have written good research proposal and if you apply in more universities, probability of selection is more. And if you don't get scholarship beforehand, the moment you land up there, you can manage something and you can get the scholarship. But for MS students, again I'm telling you, 10 to 15 lakh rupees is the investment you need to do, though there will be good return on investment. For PhD student, all you need to have is 1 to 2 lakh rupee in your pocket before you land up in Germany, and once you land up there, you can do PhD, and that is sort of job where you can earn, you can save money. So nothing is to be spent from your pocket, but you are saving, and that is a good course in Germany. But PhD there getting after BTech is difficult. So after MTech, those who are having MTech degrees with them, for them it is a golden opportunity. They should certainly try in German kind of universities, and there are so many opportunities. You do PhD also, and you earn also, and the saving will be far more than what you can save in India. So I hope this point is clear to you. Keep watching and keep interacting with the mentors of YourPedia. Thank you.